Key Smart Accounting Module, Configuration Menu Overview. Welcome to the Key Smart Accounting module. In this demo, we will take you through the configuration menu, which allows users to customize financial settings for accurate and streamlined accounting operations. To access the configuration settings, navigate to the configuration menu in the Key Smart Accounting module. Here you will find multiple options to set up your accounting environment according to your business needs. First, we have Daily Exchange Rate. This feature allows businesses to set and update currency exchange rates either manually or through automated sources. It ensures accuracy in financial transactions and reporting. Next, we have Payment Terms. Users can define various payment conditions such as Net 30, Net 60, or immediate payment. These terms help in structuring financial transactions with customers and vendors. The Expense Categories option helps businesses classify expenses like utilities, office supplies, and travel expenses. This ensures better cost management and financial tracking. Account Type Configuration allows users to set up financial accounts such as assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. This categorization ensures compliance with accounting standards and simplifies reporting. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your financial structure. Here, you can manage all the general ledger accounts, customize account structures, and track business transactions efficiently. The Taxes section allows you to configure tax codes, rates, and rules for compliance with VAT, GST, or other tax types applicable to your business location. In the Journal Categories section, you can organize financial transactions into different journals such as sales, purchases, and cash transactions. This improves financial reporting accuracy. The Analytic Configuration feature allows businesses to set up analytic accounts and dimensions. This helps break down financial transactions by departments, projects, or other criteria for in-depth financial analysis. The Banks section enables companies to maintain records of their financial institutions, ensuring seamless banking transactions and payment processing. In the Bank Accounts Details section, users can manage detailed banking information, including account numbers and IBANs, to facilitate payment reconciliation and transactions. Finally, Partners Account Details allows users to manage financial account details of customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders, ensuring smooth financial transactions. That concludes our overview of the configuration menu in the Key Smart Accounting module. By properly configuring these settings, businesses can achieve greater financial accuracy, compliance, and efficiency. Thank you for watching.